ISUZU 32M Telescopic Bucket Truck Demo. Start the engine. Engage the tow. Release the clutch. The air pressure should be 8 or above. Operate superstructure. Control station. (220 volts) external power supply. In an emergency, you can draw power from here. The power comes from the battery. For prolonged use, please use an external power source. Work appliances can be powered from this outlet. Horizontally extends the 4 outriggers front and rear. The 4 outriggers can be operated simultaneously or individually. Lower the 4 outriggers front and rear vertically to the ground to take the load. Check if the vehicle is level. The upper structure can be operated after leveling. In this state, the vehicle is level. After the vehicle is leveled, push the changeover lever upward to operate the superstructure. Once pushed upward, the outriggers cannot be operated. Switch on the electronic control switch, then the remote control can be used. Turn on the remote control. Press the signal receiver. If the remote control is not working, check whether the turntable operation is locked. Long press this button to unlock the remote control. Press the signal receiver again when this icon appears. The remote control can be used in this state. Raise the boom. Extend the boom. Adjust to your desired working height. Slewing the boom. It can slewing continuously. Retract the boom. Lower the boom. Slewing the working bucket. The work bucket can also slewing 360 continuously. Tilt the work platform. When the vehicle runs out of fuel and stalls, can turn on the electric emergency pump switch to retract the boom. Work for 10–20 seconds, then stop and resume. Power is supplied by the battery. To avoid draining it completely, fully retract the boom. When lowering the main boom, check if the arrow aligns with the small dot. If not, slewing the main boom to align them. Once the superstructure is retracted, push the changeover lever down to control the outriggers. When it is pushed down, the superstructure is inoperable. Retract the 4 vertical outriggers. The normal pressure of the pressure gauge is around 20 megapascals. Retract the 4 horizontal outriggers. Reset all outrigger control levers and turn off the electric remote control switch. When not using the vehicle, go back to the cab and turn off the tow to prevent possible damage.